This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 2, Coding with Angry Birds, Puzzle 5. Trace the path and lead me to the Selly Pig. Avoid TNT or feathers will fly. Alright, so we got to get down here. Don't want to hit this. So if I look, I'm going to try moving forward 1 and testing that out. And we can always hit run just to test things out. Code you want to test out a lot. Okay, so I think they know we're going to do it in 6 blocks, or at least we should be able to. Let's try turning right here and moving forward. Let's see where this gets us. Alright, so then I'm going to want to turn to the left, I think, and move forward. And notice these are all 0. That's 6 out of 6. Let's try. Run, hopefully. Quapow! We got it. So that's what worked for me, right? We had to turn right and then move forward, then left again. The turning can get a bit tricky. Awesome. Let's keep on going.